Hola amigos! Welcome to Everyday Spanish with Stephanie. Today we're tackling a really big topic, the truth about learning languages. Whether you're just getting started on your language learning journey or you've been at it for a while but are struggling to make progress, this video is for you. We're going to go over common myths, practical tips, and a step-by-step approach to learning languages that actually works. Are you ready? Vamos! First things first, choosing a language. Now, it might be tempting to choose a language that's really impressive to try to learn and speak, but it's also really important that you choose a language that you enjoy learning. Let's go over a few languages ranked by difficulty for English speakers. For beginners, I recommend Spanish, French, or even Portuguese. These languages are fairly easy for English speakers to learn and they're widely used. But honestly, any language is possible with the right motivation. Speaking of motivation, let's talk about why you're learning a language. Some reasons are definitely better than others. Some good motivations are being able to communicate more with friends and family. Maybe you want to enhance your travel experiences, or maybe you just have a personal interest in the culture. Some not so good motivations are trying to impress strangers. Understanding anime without subtitles. Sorry amigos. The thing is to find a motivation that will keep you going even when it gets tough. Now let's break down the learning process into manageable steps. First, master the basics. I recommend starting with a textbook. You can usually find something free online or even at the library. Number 2, practice listening. Immerse yourself with TV shows, YouTube videos, podcasts, or even audiobooks. Try to find things that are specifically labeled easy or for beginners. Third, practice speaking. Once you're comfortable listening, start repeating the phrases. You can pretend you're having a conversation with yourself. Fourth, write it down. Keep a notebook handy and write down all of the new phrases and information that you're learning. Writing helps reinforce what you're learning. Fifth, record yourself. This might feel awkward at first, but it's a great way to practice speaking without the pressure of an actual conversation. Okay, now let's talk about some common mistakes that language learners make. Relying solely on apps like Duolingo. Watching too many how to learn videos without actually learning. Using English subtitles too often in the target language that you're trying to learn. Trying to translate everything word for word from English. Remember, language learning is about practice and immersion, not just memorizing endless vocabulary lists. Understanding the culture is just as important when learning a language. For example, if you're learning French, being up to date about current events can help you connect with native speakers. Maybe you take some time to learn about the farmer protests or the Olympics being held there this summer, things like that. Here's a pro tip. Use news aggregators to help you stay up to date on current events in your target language. This not only improves your language skills, but it can give you topics to discuss with native speakers. Let's look at some effective practice techniques. Shadow speaking. This is when you repeat after native speakers in a learning video or podcast. Language exchange. Find a language partner that you can practice having conversations with. Themed vocabulary. Learn vocabulary and phrases about topics that you're passionate about. Immersion days. Set aside a few days where you are only consuming media in the language that you're trying to learn. Remember, consistency is key. Even practicing 15 minutes a day can make drastic improvements in your language skills. And there you have it, amigos. Learning a language might seem daunting at first, but with the right approach, it can be a rewarding and enjoyable experience. Remember, choose a language that you're excited about. Find strong motivation. Start with the basics and progress gradually. Immerse yourself in the language and the culture. Practice consistently, even if it's just a little bit every day. With these tips, you'll be well on your way to language fluency. Buena suerte en tu viaje lingüístico. Good luck on your language journey. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more content. Hasta la próxima! See you next time!